Is your nail workbench getting overloaded with too many cords and you're dealing with a subpar nail drill? I'm Gina with WTI and I have the solution for you. I got this nail drill from FLORAVIC and it has exceeded my expectations. You're not sacrificing power by changing from a corded drill to this rechargeable one. It works so well and is super powerful. The main way that we've been using it is to remove gel nail polish in order to put new ones on or to shape a nail tip and get it all ready for that finished, beautiful look. This comes with so many different bits for use, so depending on what scenario you're looking at, I'm sure you'll have the right one to use. The battery will last between 8 to 10 hours, and I like that it has a twist lock on replacing the bits so you can make sure that they're not falling out. This has forward and reverse rotation function, and of course you have that one's touch pause as well. This is such a great high-speed portable nail drill, you're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.